Hello and welcome to D-Class TV, where today we have the incredible Lexus LFA supercar, which is here at D-Class for a full retrim.
Is Gail's new car?
Japanese spec,
yeah, mate.
awesome engine,
Talk us through it.
It's white.
Yeah. Interior?
It's blue.
Show us.
Red.
Very Japanese and shiny wheels.
Oh yeah.
Oof.
Oof.
It's vibrant.
You do wonder, don't you?
It's cool.
I got
Very
a
cool.
idea.
Sorry, Gail. Dave's now bought your car.
Actually,
So
lads,
the
to
start
tell
of
you,
it is the key in ignition.
I've just bought it. It's mine. Sorry.
Swap the SLR for it.
Upgraded.
So now that you've seen the car, let me just show you around on the inside and see what we're working with as we take this apart and do a full retrim. Now, as you can see, that this interior is pretty much a Superman spec, full blue, full red, and basically the new customer doesn't actually like this. So we're going to take this all out, retrim it to the customer's chosen specification, and hopefully make it a little bit more tasteful. I know taste at the end of the day is an individual point, but to be fair, I think how we're going to finish this car off is going to look pretty awesome.
So we've removed all the parts out of the LFA, and at the moment I'm removing all the old covers, alcantara, from the old panels, ready to get retrimmed.
volunteer for support.
Yeah, support manager. Hang on. Yeah, I can see it. I think yeah, that way a bit.
So there we have it, that's the final result. Now fully fitted out in black Alcantara with a red single stitch detail to match the brake calipers. Full black Alcantara with a full black carpet. I'm sure you can see that the end result is absolutely superb. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe, and we look forward to seeing you next time.